Hey internet, welcome back to my channel. Today I have the Inku unboxing video, and I think this may be October, which means it should be, yep, Halloween. Oh, so excited for Halloween this year. It's the first Halloween we have with a baby, so we're all gonna be dressed up together. I think we're all gonna go with a very generic pumpkin theme, but I'm very excited for it. And Violet and Jimmy are coming over, so we're gonna binge watch a ton of Halloween movies. It's gonna be amazing. I'm so excited. Oh my gosh, we have like scrunchie. I was legitimately just this close to buying Halloween scrunchies online. I saw a set for like $1.50 and I thought, oh, I'll get that because it will be really good for my hair, like style, to get into the theme of it. But if this already comes with it, that's gonna save me the effort of having to go buy my own. All right, let's get into the unboxing. So the scrunchies right here, it doesn't look Halloween themed though. It looks like chocolate themed. Yeah, it's like chocolate theme, which I'm not actually against. I love this. I've been like living in scrunchies since I gave birth. It's like pudding. It's like the pudding brand. But yeah, I've been living in scrunchies since delivery because I just need to always keep my hair up because otherwise my baby will grab onto my hair. So these have been extra useful. We do have a couple pens here, which I will, well, I'm not going to test this one, but I'll put these aside first. And we'll look at them at the end of the video. This is some lace. Yeah, okay, it's not washi, it's just lace. Like sticky lace or sticky tape lace. I don't know how you want to refer to it, but you can kind of see what the pattern is like. It's silver. And here's the pattern here. Oh, I love it. You got a little cat head, bat, star, bow. You can use it for all sorts of things. But I don't know if I would use it for my planner, because it depends how thick it is. Alright, what is this? Bag? Oh, okay, I love this. It's a bunch of Ziploc bags, so they look like this. Let's pull one out. I think the point is that you're supposed to put candy in these and then you can give them out. I think that's what it's trying to say. Pull one out. The Bears School. That is so cute. And so functional. I'm not gonna lie, I'm probably not gonna use it for candy because we don't really get trick-or-treaters where we live. We kind of live in an older community, so there's not many kids that come around. So I guess if we ever wanted to actually go trick-or-treating, we'd probably have to go somewhere else. But yeah, I don't know how to put this back now, but I might actually just use this for like kitchen use because we do use Ziploc bags for storing food and stuff, so I'm just gonna put this in the kitchen. And then we have a stamp. Oh, cinnamon roll stamp. Probably not going to use this. I don't really have any ink available to me right now, but this is what the stamp would look like if I used it. So cute. And then we have some correction tape. Obake-chan is it's like a cute way of saying ghost in Japanese. Which reminds me, I really need to be brushing up on my Japanese because I'm so excited. We have a trip plan coming up. It's still quite a long way away, but now that the borders are open, we're planning to go to Japan with Violet and Jimmy, probably sometime in 2023. So I do need to brush up on my Japanese, but it's a correction tape. It's about, yep, 1/2 centimeter wide. It's great. I can never have enough of this because you guys know in my vertical planner, I tend to go through these a lot. And now we have a lettering set, Kuromi. I'm not gonna open it because I don't really use the lettering sets. So I'm trying not to open them so I can like give them to people who may actually get use out of them. You know, I can see into the future. How about I tell you your fortune? Oh, that's cute. Yes. And there's like the written part of the paper. And then the last one is just a little folder. Oh, from Kiki's delivery service. I love Kiki's delivery service. Oh, the one thing I'm really excited for going back to Japan is looking at more Studio Ghibli stuff. Tobias and I went to the Studio Ghibli Museum when we were in Japan a couple years ago, well, probably a few years ago now. And I'm just excited. Like now that we have a kid, there's just so much to share with them just so many of our interests and passions, so everything has just got this layer of like excitement to it, even though I get that they're still very little and they won't understand most things, but it's probably more for me and Tobias, if I was honest. So let's test out the pens. This one's a pencil with a little, look at the cute little ghost at the tip. I'm not going to open this or use it, sharpen it, because I don't need to, but out of all the pencils, because I usually give away a lot of my pencils, I'm definitely not giving this one away. It is so cute. But this one feels like more of a generic pen. Yeah. Oh, it's really thick as well. Really, really thick. Let's quickly test it out. You know what though? It is just a very generic pen. Sorry, it's like out of focus, but hopefully you guys could see what I was trying to write. It's most ballpoint pens will skip at the very start because there's no ink there. It writes really well, and I love that it's like a 0.7 or even a 1 millimeter, probably 0.7, but I love how thick it is. It's very lightweight, and so you often really don't need to get the really nice branded ballpoint pens. Like if you can find one that's just comfortable, then that's usually the ones that I stick to. So sometimes I have really random pens that are in my collection that I use consistently, and they're just some generic pen that came with like a gift box or something like that, but it's comfortable, so I use it. But yes, that is everything in the October Inku box. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Happy Halloween. Thank you so much for watching. This is Celina reporting from my room. Back to you, internet.